Oh my god, guys, I am super shocked with the results. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So, I am super excited for today's video as I'm going to dye my hair purple. So, if you don't know, I recently did a video of Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul and I showed you guys this. This is the crazy color hair colors, the semi-permanent one. I mentioned two colors, Capri blue and hot purple, and you guys voted for purple. So today I'm going to color my hair purple. So you can definitely see I have a little bit of bleached hair right at the bottom. Now I did color my hair magenta pink a few months ago, I think last year. I am going to mention the video right here. Definitely do check it out. It is an awesome video. That was my first time. Honestly, the last shade definitely stayed for around 2 months. I don't know how long this will stay. Now, because I have read reviews about this after buying it, I have read that it doesn't stay much longer, and that is why I am thinking of adding a little bit of Capri blue, just a little bit, to make it more, intense. Now, I don't know what will happen, but let's hope for the best. And if you have bleached hair, you can definitely go for crazy color hair colors. These are awesome. There are so many shades you can try. Also guys, you can definitely notice I am wearing a very bad t-shirt, and this is my hair coloring t-shirt, by the way. So I'm actually introducing myself wearing this itself, but it's okay, you guys understand that, I hope. So you know what, let's get started. Let's wear the gloves and let's begin. Now to this I'm adding little bit of this Capri blue. Okay, so the color seems very similar. Let me just swatch it for you guys. So this is Capri blue and this is hot purple. Guys, the color looks so different. Oh my god, I am actually scared right now. Let's start applying the hair color. No! So you can see the color looks little blue on my hand, and even in this, I don't know. So this is the hair color. I don't know, this looks definitely blue and black both. I don't know if this is a fail or not, but my hand definitely looks blue. I don't know why. So what I'm going to do is, so I am going to keep it around 30-40 minutes and then I'm going to wash it off and we'll see how it looks. Bye. So are you guys ready? Yay! Where's the hair color? Where's blue? Can you see blue? Guys, पता नहीं क्या हुआ. These two color did not work for me. Oh my god, my hair is black right now. You can see tiny bit of blue, but it's very less. You can't see anything. It's just a fail. And I was so depressed that I created such stunning blue and teal eye look. I'm super sad today. I'm super sad today. So if you have blonde or silver hair, you can definitely try this. But if you have bleached hair but it's a little bit colored as well, do not color your hair. अगर आपके बालों में थोड़ा सा भी orange या फिर red tone है, don't go for this hair color. It's such a waste of money, time, both. And I'm super sad but I'm definitely going to try this hair color in future with silver or very blonde hair. So I know this video is a fail and I'm super sad, but if you like my makeup, guys, if you like my makeup, give this video a big thumbs up please, and let me know अगर ये कभी आपके साथ हुआ है, hair color fail or makeup fail, anything, just share your story with me. I would love to read and talk to you guys in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this failed video. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.